there. Today I'm going to make green bean fries. This is great if you have fresh veg out of your garden. I didn't, I bought them. You can buy organic, trimmed fine green beans for about $1. I bought these at Tesco. This is 200 grams and 400 grams fit perfectly. So what you need is paprika, garlic granules, some sugar and some salt and some pepper, grated cheese or Parmesan cheese. I've done this a little bit differently. I have used yeast flakes and Parmesan a little bit to keep the calories a little bit at bay, and 1 large egg. So here are my green beans. I'm going to pulverize the egg in my, there we go. And I will pour this in the container with the green beans. Here we go. Here, spatula, get all the goodness out. So that for the next step, everything is ready. So I use pink Himalayan salt. I just like it better. And I buy it in bulk with Bob, so we save a little bit on that. So the next thing is your mixture of all the dry ingredients that I have told you about. I will post the recipe if anybody's interested. I've never made this before, but I think it sounds really good. So now the seasoning in the box. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. And shake. Or for you 80s children, shake it up. Ooh, shake it up. Sorry, being a little silly on a Sunday afternoon, making a new recipe. So, that looks pretty darn good. Let's get everything out. So, what we're going to do, we will put the beans on a greased sheet. So I will use a silicone sheet because that's just the way I am. And I will grease it with a little bit of coconut oil. I will open this up. Voila. And oh, it smells really good. Oops. Here, that goes away. So, let me get my handy spatula out again and put these, move these around. I got this book off of Amazon. Oh, that's very good. Got this book off of Amazon. It's the Vegetarian Keto Diet for Beginners, Top 55 Amazing and Simple Recipes in One Ketogenic Cookbook. I'll put the link down below. So, I don't want to waste any of this goodness either. So I'm going to scrape this out and just sprinkle it a little bit. Move it around. I probably could put the other green beans in there. It smells very good. Very, very good, in fact. Still waiting a little bit for the oven to preheat. So we will bake for 10 minutes and see how it turns out. I will be back in a moment. Wow, these are looking quite good. I'll let them cool off a little bit and we can see in a little bit how they taste. It might not be the prettiest things, but they look really, it smells. I wish we'd have a smell cam. Oh, I so want to have one. Oh, they're a little floppy still. Oh, that is really, really good. Here, I'm gonna have another one. Second one's better than the first. Oh, I can definitely recommend this recipe. Two thumbs up. See you later. Well, after my super cool green bean fries recipe, which is a success, guess what I planted? Green beans. The French beans in a drawer, so it's gonna be great. Bye.